Okay, so the first few steps are going to be putting this big, like, jug of liquid. You're going to put this into the rectangle right behind it. And then there's also this tube, and this tube is going to take the liquid and basically, like, fogify it. So you're going to make sure it's in there, get that into the liquid. And then there's gonna be a like power cable on the back, and you're gonna plug that in. And those are the first few steps to set it up.
So the second step is once it's plugged in, you hold down power on it until it shows up green, and then you wait for it to heat up. So now it says heating. Okay, stop it. Once on the green panel it says ready, you click run.
She's thinking.
And
She's thinking.